Hey guys, it's Dom. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you like me or you like to see more content like this. Why can't I public speak? Okay, today I am going to be planning my glow up. You know, I think a glow up is long overdue for me. Lots of people might have experienced this, but in quarantine, you know, we get lazy, we get unmotivated, we just want to sleep, eat as much junk food as we want. But you know, we're gonna change all that today. So I have here with me my little notebook. So if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at this. This is basically how I plan on glowing up, being my ideal self, becoming who I want to be. I'm going to be doing some things mentally to glow up, but if you guys want to see that, I can put that in another video. Today, I'm just going to be talking about physically how I want to glow up, how I want my appearance to glow up. Now, along with all of these, I'm going to be doing a glow up series where I'm going to be doing lots of different challenges or things that I'm going to do to glow up throughout a span of maybe like a month or two. I'll be posting episodes from this series either weekly or bi-weekly. So first off, let's talk about the body. How am I going to glow up my body? Now, I am an athlete. For those of you that didn't know, I play volleyball. Light flex. So staying in shape, staying fit, and working out is something that's really important for me as an athlete. I do training twice a week with my trainer, Will. He's amazing. If you guys want to check him out, put his link down below. But we do things that focus on increasing my birth. My goals for my body are just working out to get an hourglass bod. By this, I mean getting abs, filling in my hip dips, maybe slimmer waist, who knows. But something I also want to focus on is exercises to increase my birth. Now, luckily for me, bigger butt equals big old butt. Big old booty. Yeah. Bigger butt equals bigger vert. So in theory, if I also work out my butt, I'm also going to potentially increase my vert. So what I am going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out Chloe Ting's new 2021 Hourglass workout challenge. I think that lasts like 28 days or something, so I'm going to be doing that over the span of this month, along with my 2 training sessions a week that I do with volleyball. Next category, face. For our next category, I really want to focus on clearing up my acne. You know, my acne's been getting better. It's definitely better than where I started from, but it's not where I want it to be right now. Where I want it to be is gone, you know? Off my face, just like just gone. What I am going to be doing for this is drinking more water. Now for me, I definitely don't drink a lot of water. I've been trying to incorporate at least 1 water bottle a day, which like doesn't sound like much. So what I'm going to be doing for this is I'm going to be drinking a gallon of water a day for a week and seeing how that goes. For all of these videos, stay tuned because there will be more episodes in this glow up series leading up to the finale where I will incorporate everything that I have accomplished, all of my success, and I will show it all to you all in one video, a little summary of how I glowed up. Similar to the face, my next category is going to be makeup. Now my makeup is very minimal. I comb out my brows with gel, I put on mascara, and I also put some like highlighter on my inner corners. But you know what? I want to expand a little bit more. You know, I want to broaden my makeup horizons. And I'm not talking about full face of makeup here. I just want to learn how to put on concealer, maybe. I was filling in my brows for a bit, but now that I look back on those photos, they were kind of ugly. They were not cute, they were not funky fresh, they were just funky. So for that, I will just be showing you guys in my final how I glow up video a little makeup routine, see what I've learned. Next up is hair. If you guys have seen my curly hair routine, I have been trying to really immerse myself in the curly hair culture and learning how to really perfect my curls. So what I want to do for this is I want to learn more curly hairstyles, more trendy hairstyles, because we need some variety in our lives. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to be doing a video of different curly hairstyles. Why can't I speak? And I've also really wanted highlights or like a balayage, so either I'll go to a hair salon and vlog that, take you guys with me, Or alternatively, because I'm broke, I might try and naturally lighten my hair and like Google some stuff, but that could potentially damage, ruin, or you know, I might accidentally just burn off my hair. But you know, views, we'll see. We'll see. Now for the Did you hear those cracks? I'm sorry, you know, I feel like I burp in every video, but you know, I'm trying to share my personality with the world, and that is it. This is me. Take it or leave it. Moving on to my last category, which is clothing. Now for this, I am broke. I can't go out and do Princess Polly hauls or Yes Style or even Shein. Like, I'm broke. I ain't got that dollar bill. So what I was thinking, either take what I have in my wardrobe and just show like my outfits for a week, or do a thrift with me because I love going to the thrift store. I bought this from the thrift store. I love it. I bought these pants from the thrift store. So amazing. So I could totally do that. I feel like after all the bad stuff that's happened in the world, I just need like a reset. I want to just try and be the best person that I can be. Really just do something for myself. If there are any specific videos you guys want to see from me for this glow up series, please leave them down below. I will be sure to take into consideration your suggestions. Now obviously there are lots of other ways you can glow up physically and mentally, but these are just the things that I'm going to be doing. Now as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing one whole final video in this glow up series. Oh my god, I just choked so hard. But as I was saying, I'm going to be doing one final episode of this to wrap up this whole series, where I will put on a makeup look, put on a cute outfit. Hopefully my skin will be somewhat clearer by then. Maybe a new hairstyle, maybe a new hair color, who knows. But I will be just tying that all in one final video. And then I'll take some cute photos. It'll be great. But you know, with all that being said, I'm excited to create all of these videos for you and curious to see all these results. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for every single episode of this glow up series. If you like me or you like my channel, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notifications bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. I will see you guys all in the next video. Oh my god.